let's make a cute window pane design out of these old canvases I had. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so we have these canvases. These were old. I had a design on it and it was ruined. So I just tore off the design, tore off the canvas. And underneath, look at, they have these beautiful frames. So I kind of mussed mine up. I kind of put a hammer to it so it looked a little bit more vintage. You don't have to do that part. And then I'm adding a stain. This is just a brown wax that I had from, I think, Folk Art. But you could use anything. You could even paint them if you wanted. But again, I'm a country girl, so I like the country vibe. So then I flip it over, and I'm using some big craft sticks. Listen, you should probably also glue. I didn't, but all I'm doing is stapling those craft sticks onto the back just to keep the two frames together. It was easy enough. I am using one of those heavier duty staplers, but there, it's all together. Yay! So then I have this bag. Now you could use, yes, it's Dollar General, and yes, I paid the price. I know, $3. Ugh, but it was so cute. It's got glitter on it. Ooh. Anyways, so what I did was I set up my frame and centered where I wanted the bag. Then I just traced with a pencil the outline of my frames, and then I cut it out. Perfect. Ta-da! Awesome. All right, and then I decided, I got to distress the frames. So I went back and I used some white chalk paint on a dry brush, and I'm just adding a little bit of, again, if this isn't your vibe, don't do it, but it is mine, and I will do it to the glory of God. Thank you very much. I also went back and added a little black on a bright dry brush too. All right, so now back to the back to the bag. I put a little glue on the back, and then I flip it over, and this is the way I could adhere it and make sure that it's straight. And then I just added glue all on the frame this way. Make sure it's nice and adhered. And then if you can't cut a straight line like me, you have to go back and trim it. And then after that, I stapled it just for some added security. I don't know why. And then if you wanted the back to look nice, I added just some regular ribbon from Dollar Tree just to cover the staples, make it look a little pretty. I added a little greenery that I cut off of a wreath that I got last year. And I had these Dollar Tree little tiny poinsettias. They're like velvet. They're so cute. I added some of those, and I did the same thing on the other side. And then I decided, because I am a fanatic, I am like obsessed with these Christmas bells. I don't know why, but I am. So I had to add them because they make me smile. Don't add them to yours if you don't like them. But look at how cute this is. I love it. I think the bells add a little bit of whimsy to it. I adore it. You could add a hanger if you wanted. I didn't because I'm just going to lean it. It's just going to be on my counter leaning. But look at how cute it is. I love it. It's like the snowman's looking in saying, hey, how's it going in there? Sorry. I can't help it. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.